Welcome back to our channel, to my channel, Justin Creates. And today guys, gagawa tayo ng video kasi may nagpadala ulit sa atin. Yay! Yeah, happy siya. Kasi nga para sa kanya yon, alam ko sa kanya yon. Wala pang tatak yung package, pero feeling ko sa kanya yun kasi ang laki. Oh, be careful! So ngayon guys, samahan nyo kami i-unbox yon and kukunin ko muna sa labas kasi sobrang bigat niya. Ayan. Let's go! Help mama! Can you say hi first to the video?
Hi!
Wow! Say, welcome back to my channel!
Welcome back to my channel!
Yay! Can you help me? Let's get the package. Come on. Let's go, guys. So, kukunin namin. Nandito kasi sa labas pa. Hindi ko pa inakyat kasi nga. Yan, box pa namin. And mabigat siya. Kaya papatulong ako sa aking malaking helper. Huh. Let's carry this. So, this is one. Dalawa kasi siya, guys. Yun yung isa. Ito muna yung i-unbox natin. Dali. Help mama. Put it here on the table. Yeah. Wow, you're so strong, ah. And syempre, diyan ka lang.
What is inside? What is inside?
We'll find out. We're going to find out, diba? So, we need scissors. What is this?
Size.
Okay. Knock, knock. Knock, knock first. Knock, knock. Oh, let's open na. Oh, what will you say with the scissor? Who will use the scissor? Huh? Only grown-ups. Yeah, only mommy.
Daddy.
Yeah, good job. Oh, I can see now.
What is this? What is it? Boy.
Pull. Oops, hindi ko na magupit. Alis muna. Oh, pull. Wow! Guys, kita niyo naman. Ang galante talaga ng clean fan kay Chloe. Ayan. Wow! It's a huge thing. Come on. Let's take off the plastic. Ah.
I don't have more power.
You have more power. Oh, see? Yeah!
Happy too.
Wow! Show it to the camera! Show to the camera! Wow! Wow! What is this?
Fan.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera. Say thank you, clean fan. Oh, what is this? Show it. It's a cotton wipes.
Cotton wipes again.
Bagong product to guys ni Clean Fan, yung dry cotton wipes nila. Ayan oh. 'Di ba merong wet wipes? Ito guys, ito ang dry cotton wipes. Ayan. Galing, parang may tissue ka na rin, pero wipe yung style. Ito guys, check nyo ito. Napakagandang product nito. So premium siya and 68 sheets na rin. Plus may 8 sheets pang kasama. So pediatrician recommended. 100% cotton, extra soft, and thick sheet. Wow! Try nyo na guys ang bagong product ni Clean Fan. Say it, try it now.
Right now.
Show it to the camera. Try it now. 1, 2, 3. Try it now. Oh, let's take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Take it.
Ow.
Wow. Put it there. And of course, guys, hindi mawawala ang ating mga travel size baby wipes. We have lavender. And the baby wipes, baby scent. Yan, favorite namin to. And ito, ayan siya. And ito guys, mabango din to ang kanilang cherry blossom and antibacterial wipes. Perfect for cleaning mga countertops, mga ganun guys. And mga hands and feet ni baby. Ayan, galing nito. Ayan, put natin, dami nating stocks. Yay! Oh, ano to? Bago ba to? Ito yung unscented na lagay. So, may unscented din pala sila. Ayan, guys. Check out yun na. So, kung interested kayo sa mga products na to, guys, ilalagay ko rin naman yung link dyan para ma-check out yun na rin. And, sobrang quality and sobrang mura din ng mga products ni Clean Fan. Ayan! So, dami. Ayan.
Ow!
And sa loob nito, guys, is 11 sheets na 6 packs. Did I hurt you? Sorry. Oh, more wipes for you. Wow! Guys, parang pag isang taon na stocks na namin to ni Chloe ng wipes. Wow! So many wipes! And another wipe! So ito naman guys ang ating Clean Fan na baby wipes unscented. Ito guys is 108 sheets naman. Sobrang dami ang sulit. Sobrang kapal ng wipes nila. Hindi agad napupunit and madami siyang moisture talaga. Maganda siya kasi may aloe vera na siya, vitamin E, and fruit extract. Try it now. Grabe, mapupuno yung mesa natin. Are you happy? Wow. What will you say to Clean Fan?
Thank you, Pizza.
Wow. Thank you, Clean Fan. Oh, so many. So, ito pa guys, so meron tayong baby scent naman. Ayan, the yellow one. So, ito naman yung scented, guys. Baby scent. Ang sobrang bango nito kasi parang baby lang talaga. Powdery, ganon. Love ko yan. Wow! Ang dami! And that's all for the first package, guys. Thank you so much, Clean Fan. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Sobrang dami, diba? Thank you so much. Oh, pakita mo to lahat. Come on. Come here. Go up in the, dali. You dance. Show your dance to Clean Fan. Say your thank you. Thank you. Stay up. Wow. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you, Clean Fan. Look at the camera. Thank you, Clean Fan. Oh, go inside. You want to go inside? Oh, go. Gusto daw pumasok, guys. Ayan. Kasi siya yung pinaka-package ni Clean Fan. Oh, sit down. Ayan, I'll count 1, 2, 3, bulaga ka. 1, 2, 3. Bulaga! Bulaga! So, ito guys, ang aking package from Clean Fan. Look here. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Oh, stand up na. Dance. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you, Clean. Say thank you. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you. Can you count all your wipes? Oh, can you count? Count it. Count. Can you count? How many?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, habang nagka-count siya, guys, kung ako sa inyo, i-check out yun na to. Kasi, guys, lalo na sa mga nag-re-restock ng mga mommies and mga new moms. Yay!